Teacher Day message, or maybe teacher is a basically a role of a mentor uh, who take a more difficult and face in life. I think teacher is a your thought process is very easily way of your life. I think the right way of your mentor as a teacher. I think curiosity you're open as a student, because a human being is nature is very difficult, but as a mentor, as a teacher, as a coacher, as easy for your out of your box thinking is more easiness comings your ways of life and experience show. So I think teachers would be apply your experience uh, to help you in life, or maybe you're being stuck in difficult, we are easily to uh, come in normal way. So it's a day of teacher. I think the teacher is not a one day, whole the life of teach and learning with the no endless of your chapter of books. But as a life experiences, we have to be sometimes to accept it. But I think as a teacher or coacher, to exactly you enjoyment of learning attitudes, or you have to be just blessings to if you have to be role model of the teaching, playing the role model. So I think the best of the teachings, we have to remove discouragement in our society. That is the why we have to be uh, more hurdles and discouragement, low of self-esteem. So our enemies discouragements and bad behaviors and way of attitudes would be stopped. So I again in my talk to stop your curiosity and stop your worries and stop your lack of uh, painless. So it's a role of the teaching. Or maybe if we attachment of the role model of your our heroes, as we like that our mentor is our hero, because celebrity or maybe you in movies one times and just entertainment, it's not benefits. But I think the benefits, the mentors that you have to be experience captured, and which is the beyond in the life of life of presence. So this is the message of teacher to uh, strategies of curiosity, learning curiosity never, because out of box you learner, you have to be uh, way of exact meaning life to catch. So that's the why important of your why your teacher your as a beautiful learning give you blessing to this is that is the why we have to be spirituality and madnessly we have to be accepted, or which is the all over the again and one body human being to all of the discoveries, the best of naturally mentors, best of your dealing with uh, dealing with the confusion of life is the best way of your life. So you hope to enjoy and keep blessings and keep hopeful and stay live happy and stay happy with the hope, never die hope in your life.